Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about multiple inheritance. Okay, just see this image. By seeing this image, we can conclude that there are two parent and one child, or multiple parent and one child, right? That's why the name is multiple inheritance. Okay, see here, I have father and mother and a child, and I again and again say that the arrow mark should points towards the parent, not towards the child. Okay, that's the main key point when we are drawing the diagram for class representation in inheritance. Okay, don't forget it. Always the arrow points towards the parent, not to child. Fine. Now we can go to the example. See this first example. I have a class father. I have a member function inside it, father name, and inside that I am printing father class. And another class mother, inside that I have a member function called mother name. Inside that I am printing mother class. Apart from that, I have another class called child. Inside that I am inheriting father as well as mother. So I have inherited more than one class. So it is called as multiple inheritance, right? Inside that I didn't write anything, just a blank. Now what is the pictorial representation of this class? The child class. Okay, let me write here what are the father name, mother name. Okay, let me give the pictorial representation. Right, see here, there is a mother class, there is a father class. Inside mother class, what is the member function? It is mother name, right? Mother name. Inside father class, we have father name. So this is the class representation, and I have a child. Inside that I don't have anything. It automatically inherit from mother and father. Clear. So it have both this member function and also this member function inside child. Okay, fine. Now C is equal to child of. I'm creating an object for child. Okay, I'm creating an object for child. Now C dot father name of. Whether child has any member function called father name? No. But it has a parent called father. Inside that I have a member function called father name. So it get executed father class, right? Then C dot mother name. Child didn't have any member function called mother name, but it has a class mother. Inside it I have a mother name member function. So mother class will be the output, right? So the output is father class and mother class, right? Now constructors in multiple inheritance. Now I have a class mother. Inside it I have a constructor and I am printing mother class. Then I have a class father. Inside that I have a member function father name and I am printing father class. Now, like previous example, we have the same, but instead of mother name I have a constructor. Fine. Now class child inherits mother and also father. Pass. So there's a just a class which inherits there's a class child inherits mother and father, and there is no body of the class. C is equal to child of. So when I am creating the child object, the constructor will automatically invoked, but there is no constructor in child. So it goes to the parent classes. So there are mother and father. Inside it I have a mother class. Okay, I have a constructor inside the mother class. So mother class is executed. Fine. But think about it. If this father class also have some constructor, now what will the output? In Java, it takes like Whether I want to take from mother class, I want to take in father class. So there will be a diamond error, diamond problem. It shows some error like in which class I should take. Okay, this is the error created in Java. If we are the people who design some compiler, okay, just assume you are the people who built a compiler. Take for example, it is a Python compiler. Okay, now if this problem should be rectified in your compiler, what will be the approach you will overcome? The problem is which constructor we should take. This is the problem. How to overcome this? How to overcome this? We know that if I set some priority, the problem is overcome. If I set some priority, the problem is overcome. Okay, how can I set some priority? Maybe first come first serve. First come first serve. So see here, inside this child class, I have mother, comma father. First I have mother, then only father class is inherited. So if I choose first come first serve technique, which constructor will get executed? Mother. It's not based on this class is on the top. It's based on the class given in the front of father when in time of inheritance. Okay, both are in same level. But mother is inherited first after father is inherited. So what will the output? Again mother class. If what will the output? Father class. Simple. So this is the way Python people overcome this problem. This is called diamond problem. See here, it is a diamond problem. Python people created method resolution order, MRO, to which implementation of greet to use. Okay, just take this, maybe a constructor or function to be used when the child class have the access to the parent class which have the same member function or same constructor name. Same constructor or same member function name. Okay, so that's the time when we when the MRO will get played in the role. Okay, now this is the above example. Okay, let me go down. Now in this example, I have created a class mother. Inside that, I have created a member function name, and I have created a class father. Inside also, I created a same name as member function name. Okay, then class child mother, then father pass. C is equal to child of. So I created an object for child. C dot name of, which gets executed. I already told you that which has the first priority get executed. So which is the first? Mother is the first inherited class, right? So mother gets executed and mother class will be the output. If see here, I have given father and then mother. Okay, now what will be the output? Father class, because child don't have the name. Okay, child don't have the member function. Then automatically it goes to the above level, that is to the parent of mother and father. Both have the name. What will I do? Which I inherited first? Father. So take from the father. So father class. Okay, so this is the core concept between the multiple inheritance in Python. So just go to the glance of every example. I will provide the Google Colab link in the description, so you may download and change and see some observation and learn from it. Thank you.